Hey everyone, it's Yasemin, Islek, the creator of Beauty by a Model, and today with me I have the BLENDLE bottle, which is amazing to create smoothies and it's great for on the go as well. So I'll go ahead and unbox this for you right now. Of course, I've chosen pink because I love pink. So it comes with a nifty little USB cable where you can charge this at work or in your car for convenience to use on the go. So after you've blended your juices up, you can literally apply this little lid so it's not so bulky. Love it, it's so nice and convenient. And it's just like a cup. Love it. So I'm going to go ahead and just rinse my BLENDLE bottle with some water. So you just have to double click the on button very fast and then the blades will turn on. Awesome. Give it a bit of spin. The thing I love about the BLENDLE bottle is that literally it's so easy to clean. After you've made your smoothies, all you have to do is just add some water and some detergent and then power it on and voila, it cleans itself. So now I'm going to go ahead and make a strawberry banana smoothie. So I have my strawberries and banana all chopped up into small fine pieces. These are actually from my garden. Yeah, being all natural. Next we have some milk. And as for the last ingredient, I have here vanilla flavored yogurt. Delicious. So now I'm going to add all my ingredients. I have just added my strawberries and banana. Second step is done. I have just added in the yogurt. And the third step, milk. And the fourth step, I will just blend it away. So I've just secured the lid on and it's secure from the bottom as well. And now I'll just go down to the on button and click on double time. Check it out. All my little fruit pieces going cray-cray. Blending up pretty nicely, I love it. It's gonna be delicious. Blend that all up. And it's done after 1 minute of blending up. Love it. So now I'll just go ahead and change the lid for you. So just turning it like this. There we go. Getting this lid and popping that on like so. Perfect. Nice and secure. Turning it over, and then there you have it. Check it out, I love it. And then all I have to do is open it, give it a bit of a taste test. Great. It blended very well, love that. This is great. I'll definitely be making more with milk and yogurt and strawberries. How exciting! Because I have a juicer, so I usually use a juicer, but this is new and I love it. Oh my god, it's so good. I'm just gonna... It looks like I'm gonna have to make some more because it's that amazing. Love it. I'd be definitely taking this with me to the beach or if I'm going for a picnic. So just in conclusion, I would highly recommend this product. I really love it and I can see myself using it literally on a weekly basis. So yeah, thank you Blendle Bottle. I'd just like to say thank you so much everyone for taking the time to watch this video on the Blendle Bottle review. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and have a beautiful day and see you next time. Bye!